Hi everyone. Tonight's supper is Beanie Weenie Casserole. What all goes into the Beanie Weenie Casserole? 1 pound of hot dogs, sliced 1/4 inch diagonal. I have 15 ounces. 2 14-ounce can vegetarian baked beans, drained. I have a 28-ounce can. And you can use other types of baked beans if you'd rather. 2 tablespoons light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 cup or 4 ounces of Monterey Jack shredded cheese. So let's begin. First thing we need to do is preheat the oven to 375. Take an 8x8 pan and spray it with cooking spray. First thing you want to do is take your hot dog and cut them diagonally into 1/4 inch slices. And I'll finish that and we'll be right back. Next, take a big bowl, dump everything except for the cheese into it and mix well. The 1 pound of sliced hot dogs, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and mine actually was probably about 1.5, just because I can't measure. 2 14-ounce cans of baked beans, drained, and I have 1 28-ounce can, and mix that thoroughly. This is going to be one of the easiest recipes that you'll ever make, and that's what I'm all about, is easy. And like I said, you can use any flavor of beans that you would like. Vegetarian is pretty much the basic, like pork and beans, and that's what I grew up on, is pork and beans and hot dogs. So this casserole will remind me of my youth. All right, so we have that all mixed up, and we'll take our prepared pan and dump in the Beanie Weenie mix. And smooth that out. Cover it with foil, nice and tight. Put in your Beanie Weenie casserole in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until heated through. So it's been 25 minutes. You want to take off the aluminum foil, and you can see it's steaming, so it is all heated through. And then we'll add 1 cup of the Monterey Jack cheese. So then we'll put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes until the cheese has melted. So I just took it out of the oven. It had melted the cheese in about 6 minutes. I'll dish it up and then I'll get my husband to do a taste test. So here is the Beanie Weenie casserole, and rounding out the meal is coleslaw.
What am I tasting?
Beanie Weenie casserole.
Beanie Weenie Casserole. Oh, it's got some kind of cheese on it.
Monterey Jack cheese.
Monterey Jack. All right. It's fighting back. Are these are the weenies flavored, or are they just?
We just regular hot dogs.
Okay. So you got barbecue sauce or something in them?
Ketchup and brown sugar.
Pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.